Welcome to our new video. This one is a little different from our usual travel content. While we were on holiday visiting our families in North Macedonia, we decided to relax, enjoy the time together, and make Ajvar Malidžano a traditional homemade recipe that we love. This is something we prepare to enjoy throughout the winter. Safety notice. This process involves hot surfaces, open fire, and a grinding machine. Please be very careful and always take responsibility for your own safety if you decide to try making this recipe yourself. We want everyone to stay safe and enjoy the experience. Ingredients for red Ajvar are 10 kilograms red sweet peppers, 1 liter sunflower oil and salt to taste. Optional depending on preference. Aubergines, typically 3 per 10 kilograms of peppers. Ingredients for Malidžano version are 10 kilograms green peppers, 1 liter sunflower oil, aubergines, added based on preference, 20 milliliters wine vinegar per 10 kilograms peppers, 50 grams sugar, mustard and salt to taste. Prepare the peppers. Wash the peppers thoroughly. Dry them with a clean cloth, and remove the stems and seeds. Roast the peppers and aubergines until skins are charred and soft. Place the roasted vegetables in bags for 30 minutes to allow them to steam, which helps the skins to peel off more easily. Peel the skins and remove any remaining seeds. Leave the peppers to drain overnight in a colander, allowing the excess liquid to drain. This helps to reduce the moisture and speeds up the frying process. Next day, mince the peppers and aubergines using a food grinder. Mix the red peppers and aubergines if using. Do the same with the green peppers when preparing Malidžano. This is the juice that has drained from the peppers overnight. Heat sunflower oil in a large pan. Add the ground pepper mixture. Fry on medium heat until thick, smooth, and the oil separates slightly. Add salt to taste. Add more oil during the frying process as needed. The frying can take between 1 and 3 hours, depending on the heat and the amount of ajvar being cooked. Seasoning and final differences. Red ajvar uses only peppers and aubergines. No sugar, vinegar, or mustard. Pure roasted pepper flavor. On the other hand, Malidžano includes green peppers and aubergines in the mixture. 20 milliliters white wine vinegar per 10 kilograms peppers. Optional sugar to balance acidity. Mustard and salt added for flavor. Adding vinegar. Adding sugar. Adding salt. Heat jars before filling. Warm glass jars to 50 degrees Celsius so they do not crack when the hot mixture enters. Fill jars while the Ajvar or Malidžano is hot and seal firmly. Vacuum in oven. Place sealed jars in the oven at 70 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. And let cool completely before storing. The best part of the whole process is when the whole family is together, enjoying Ajvar or Malidžano straight from the pan with warm homemade bread. Serving suggestions. Spread on bread. Best combined with white cheese or feta. Perfect for breakfast or as a side to grilled dish. Thank you so much for watching. The full recipe can be found in the description of this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video.